Today we will read a new chapter, Florence Nightingale. This is the story is based on a woman who has to change the healthcare system in England. Now we will read. I was just a boy when I found in the criminal war, and like the hundreds of soldiers who were injured, I was brought to the hospital at Eskişehir in Turkey. It means here it was a boy. You can see in this picture he was found a criminal. Here he was find hundreds of soldiers who were injured. Here the hundreds of soldiers who were injured and they are brought in a hospital. In 1854, Eskişehir, Turkey, the hospital was filthy. There were rats and flies everywhere. There were so many. The hospital was fully. It closed my eyes. I can still remember the smell. He was saying that it was full of flies, and I can remember. If I close my eyes, I can still remember the smell. He can remember the smell of that. Over the next few weeks, I feel very ill. After the few weeks, he feel very ill. I watched a lot of my friends die from infection. He was saying that my friends were die for that infection. One night as I lay there feeling rich, I saw her for the first time, the lady with the lamp. He was saying that I was so first time the lady with the lamp. I need the place spotless. Then he was saying I need the place spotless. She begged into that place and took control at once. She was controlling that. You can see in this picture. How are you feeling today, Mr. Andrews? Then he was saying to this boy that how are you feeling? For the first time in our lives, she made Invers feel respected. Then she was saying that our first time she giving to me respectfully. People made weak. This meaning is people made weak. Everyone soon learned that Florence was not like the other nurse. Then he was saying that this nurse was not other like nurse. Florence had always excelled at her lesson. She wanted to help people by becoming a nurse when she grew up. She was saying that when she was helping the people when she grew, and she was become a nurse to help the people. Her parents, on the other hand, don't encourage this. Her parents were not encouraging her to. They hated that she wanted to become a nurse. Her parents were not encouraging. They were hated to become a nurse. They thought nurse was not a job fit for a lady. Her parents were thinking that a nurse job was not fit for her daughter. So they were hating. Because hospital were dirty, horrible place. Their parents were thinking that the hospital were dirty, horrible places. I will write to you every week. Then he was saying, I will write to you every week. But Florence decided her parents finally allowed her to train as a nurse in Germany. Then we were requesting to her parents that she want to a nurse, and her parents to give train to a Germany. And news of a criminal war and the horrible state of British hospital reached Florence's ears, and so she set out to the battlefield, taking with her a team of 30 nurses. Then she was hearing that there were a war. Then she was taking 38 nurses with them. In 1854, this was the first time women were officially allowed to serve in the British Army. It was the first time for women to serve in a British Army. While you sit here, thousands are dying because of our unsanitary hospital. They were dying. 3,000 people were died. 3,000 people were died for unsanitary means uncleaning. Every day at the hospital was a fight for Florence. A lot of the male doctors hated the way she ordered them around, but none of them did silence here. Then there lots of male, you can see in this picture, male doctors were hated too. When she ordered something. But Florence report were taken seriously by the government. But here the Florence report taken by government seriously. They sent a team to inspect the condition at the security hospital. The term discovery that the hospital was built on a sweeper and that the patient were all drinking contaminated water. Then this report was seriously taken by the government. She was giving the information of that hospital. Florence and the tackled an important problem that more soldiers die due to this disease than on the battlefield because of how unclean the hospital is. Then the Florence take the important problem. She was taking the important problem how the soldier can die. Soldier is die from unclean hospital of the there. She fought for the cause of better sanitation in hospital both at home and abroad. Almost at once the death rate began to fall. When she was saying that there so many soldiers are dying, so she has take something to take the hospital. When Florence returned from the criminal war, she was giving a hero welcome. When she was returning, she was given to a hero welcome. People wrote poem about her and letter to her. Hundreds gathered to see her, but Florence did not pay attention to that crowd. People were writing their poem and hundreds of letters, but she has never seen that give attention to that crowd. In 1956, the two met and talked about improving the state of England healthcare system. Then they were sitting. They were improving the state of healthcare system of England. One person she did pay attention to was Queen Victoria. She has given attention to Queen Victoria. She was one person she has given to attention. You only have to look at this number are true. You can see, you have to see this number are true. Florence soon went on to show that there was a huge decrease in death after the hospital were cleaned from 42.7 to a mere 22.2. Then she was saying that it was a changing when she come there. There was a different changes for healthcare. After cleaning the hospital, the death rate is decreasing. But sadly, Florence soon will feel very sick. She had a continued bacterial infection from the hospital at Scripture and infected that brought her fever, sadness and extremely pain for a long time. Then after that she was feeling painness she also infected by infection. Yet Florence continued to fight for England healthcare system. She was fighting after that for healthcare system. She wrote books and nurse to help the poorest of poor and pushed for better healthcare for everyone. Then she was fighting for the healthcare of England, and she wrote some books and given to a nurse to help the poor and better for their healthcare. Florence Nightingale died at the age of 19. Then after that she was died at the age of 90. Her work to improve hospitals and healthcare revolutionized the field of nursing and the change how the patient were treated all over the world. She has improved the hospital where healthcare after that. Good night, you old bird, you are the reason I am still alive. Then he was saying, then good night to all old birds, you are the reason of my still I am alive.